Come along with us to Wigs by Tiffani Consultation and get a behind-the-scenes look at what goes into choosing the perfect wig. After parking, just ring the doorbell and a member of our team will buzz you in and greet you. We're so excited to welcome you to the studio. Once inside, we'll give you a tour of the studio where the Wigs by Tiffani team works hard cutting, coloring, and customizing our beautiful wigs to perfection. Next, we'll take you to one of our beautiful private consultation rooms. We'll grab some water for you, and you can relax here for a few minutes while you get familiar with some of our products, services, and customization options. In the meantime, Tiffani or one of our experienced consultants will gather a selection of wigs tailored just for you. After that, your consultant will come meet you, and together we'll take your measurements, chat about your preferences, and discuss what you're looking for in your new wig. Whether it's style, color, or functionality, we want to make sure it's absolutely perfect for you. Next, it's time for the fun part, trying on wigs. This is always everyone's favorite part, and we love to see how all the different styles and colors come to life. When you find your perfect match, it is like magic. This is the perfect time to get all your questions answered. I promise there are no stupid questions, so ask away. Once you've found your perfect match, we'll show you how to put it on yourself and talk you through hair care, customization options, styling, and anything else you need to know to be able to care for your new hair. And this is the feeling we're going for. This is how you know you found the one. And once you found it, we'll walk you through our full range of products designed just for your new wig, including our Nourished by Tiffani hair care line, which is also great for your bio hair, and our patented Tiff Grip for added security. Finally, it's time to check out. We'll pack up your products and your wig, or if you prefer, you can wear it out. You'll leave with stunning new hair ready to take on the world. Thank you for trusting Wigs by Tiffani to help you on your hair journey. We're here to make you feel comfortable, confident, and beautiful every step of the way. We hope we get to see you soon.